So how do you get the screen recording from the iPad, right? Obviously, you can go ahead and perform the screen recording and it gets saved into the Photos app, but how can you get it from the iPad? Well, there are some options. If you have a computer or an iPhone from the Apple ecosystem, meaning a MacBook or an iPhone, you can find the screen recording inside of your Photos app. Select it, click on Share, and use AirDrop to send it over your Apple devices. That's pretty simple. But if you do not have that or want to share it in some other way, you can use a cloud-based service. For example, you can download the Google Drive app or Dropbox or any other cloud storage. And there you can just tap on the plus button and upload that video from the gallery and have it stored on your cloud from any of the providers which you like. Or another great solution is to use some sort of external storage. This might be a USB stick or an external SSD drive, even SD card if you have the ability to connect it to the iPad. And once you connect it, even use it using an adapter to the iPad, you can then open up the Photos app as well, locate the screen recording, and just click on the share button. Swipe up a bit and you have the ability to save it to files. And when the window pops up, you don't save it to the iCloud or local storage, but you save it to the connected drive, right? You save it to the connected SD card or external SSD and you save it directly to that device, which you then disconnect and connect to another computer or something, right? So you can save it or get it off of the iPad this way as well. So that's going to be about it for me. Let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll catch you in the future tutorials.